Okay, so on our quest to figure out how do humans breathe, we're going to talk about partial pressure. Okay, so at the end of this lesson, you will be able to calculate the partial pressure of any gas in a mixture given the composition of that mixture. Okay, so when we're talking about partial pressure, what we're talking about is the mixture of gases, right? So if you have a mixture of gases, so for instance, in this box, there's the red gas, in this box, there's the green gas, and in this box, there's the blue gas. And if you look at them, they coexist all together in one box, right? So that mixture of gases exerts pressure, right, on the walls of the box, right, or the walls of the container. The pressure of each one of these gases is called the partial pressure. So each of the little red dots is exerting a certain amount of pressure on the box. The green ones are exerting a different amount of pressure on the box, and the blue ones are exerting even a different pressure on the box. The total pressure of the mixture of gases is the sum of all the partial pressure. What sum means is add up, right? So if I add the pressure of A and the pressure of B and the pressure of C together, I get the total pressure. Okay, so in my example here, I have 1 atmosphere of the reds, 2 atmospheres of the greens, and a half of atmosphere of the blues. When I put them together, the total pressure inside this box is 1 atmosphere plus 2 atmospheres plus a half an atmosphere. So we end up with 3.5 atmospheres of pressure. Okay, so in our example, it says that a cylinder contains helium at 0.52 atmospheres, hydrogen at 0.32 atmospheres, and some carbon dioxide. The total pressure in the container is 1.05 atmospheres. What is the partial pressure of CO2? Okay, so here I have my container. I have my 0.52 atmospheres of helium. I have 0.32 atmospheres of hydrogen. I don't know what my CO2 level is, but there are CO2 particles in there. And my total pressure inside my container is 1.05. So according to the law of partial pressure, my 1.05 should equal my 0.52 plus the 0.32 plus blank, right? So this one is my helium, this one is my hydrogen, this one is my CO2, and I don't know how much there is. So simple math, combine like terms, right? So 0.52 plus 0.32 is 0.84, right? And then to get CO2 by itself, I have to subtract from both sides 0.84. So I end up with 1.05 minus 0.84. And I get that the CO2 is 0.21. Okay, and then that one is atmospheres.